Namaste, good morning students. Just after completing the preparation and physical property of carboxylic acid, we just moved to the reactions shown by the carboxyl group and the carboxylic acid. So here some points. First one is that formation of anhydride. So in case formation of anhydride, carboxylic acid on heating with mineral acid as like H2SO4 or P2O5 give corresponding anhydrides. So in this term you should remember that in this reaction two molecule of carboxylic acid are involved. For example, and for recalling process, recall that two molecule of alcohol react together in the presence of acidic medium to give ether and water. So similar process here, two molecule of carboxylic acid combine together to give the anhydride. Similar process, because in this similar process OH and H give the water molecule. So here OH and this H combine together to give the water molecule and combined like this. So one of this oxygen may combine with this oxygen to give the anhydride. So this is the preparation of anhydride, and similar to the formation of ether, because in ether you know that the two molecule of alcohol react together to give ether. Similarly, two molecule of carboxylic acid react together to give anhydride. So react together to give the anhydride. So this is also a preparation of anhydride, or you may say that the formation of anhydride in the reaction of carboxylic acid. And in a previous and just in a preparation of carboxylic acid, you learn that anhydride upon hydrolysis give two molecule of carboxylic acid. You learn it about in the preparation of carboxylic acid. So just it is a very simple reaction. Two molecule of acid combine together to give anhydride, and anhydride upon hydrolysis give two molecule of carboxylic acid. That means the starting material of the carboxylic acid. Clear? So this is a formation of anhydride. One esterification. So now move to the next one. So I hope you may understand that the formation of anhydride, that means the two molecule of carboxylic acid react together to give anhydride, and anhydride upon hydrolysis gives two molecule of carboxylic acid. Now move to the esterification. You learn it about in a class 10th, that the carboxylic acid react with alcohols or phenols. Carboxylic acid react with alcohols or phenols in the presence of mineral acid as a catalyst. So what is the mineral acid? H2SO4 or HCl. This one is the mineral acid, and the mineral acid we have as a catalyst. And one thing I want to tell you, that I always use a representative reaction only, not a particular example. So for a particular example of formation of anhydride, I want to write here, suppose CH3COOH react with CH3COOH, then the anhydride formation takes place at this point. This OH and this H just remove. So for anhydride, just make this structure, and one side this one is CH3, and for this molecule this one is the CH2CH3. So this is the anhydride. So whatever the side group, it may be the benzene ring or the any other ring. So similarly you may prepare the anhydride, and after hydrolysis you may give the corresponding, you may draw the corresponding carboxylic acids. So I always use here the representative reaction only. So just think about the what should be the R. In esterification, I also use here the representative reaction. So in a class 10 you learn about that the carboxylic acid react with alcohol in the presence of acid or a base. Generally we use acid. So in the presence of acid give the ester. So this is a esterification reaction. You know this statement from the class 10 here. So this is a representation here, and in this representation this OH and this H removed as a water molecule, this OH and H removed as a water molecule, and this oxygen just joined to this carbonyl center. This oxygen of alcohol molecule joined to the center and form the RC double bond O R dash. This one is the ester. And recall once again, in a preparation of carboxylic acid, you just learned that in a basic medium it breaks into the carboxylic acid and alcohol, salt of carboxylic acid in alcohol in a preparation method. So just formation of anhydride and the esterification you learned previously, because in formation of anhydride you learn about the two molecule of acid react to give the anhydride, and anhydride upon hydrolysis give two molecule of acid. So similarly, carboxylic acid and alcohol react together to give ester, and ester upon hydrolysis gives acid and alcohol. So this is just opposite reaction. So I hope you may understand. In your book there is a mechanism for the esterification, so I want to explain here mechanism. So what is important in this mechanism? This mechanism is in your book, so I want to explain. So this one is acid, this one is carboxylic acid, and in acidic medium the reaction is reversible, so this is in equilibrium. H plus, so this lone pair just attack on the proton and it gets positively charged. Due to positive charge, reactivity of this carboxyl carbon is increases. As you know previously that carboxyl carbon is less electrophilic. So as the partial positive charge increases here, the oxygen atom of alcohol molecule just attack on this carbonyl center as nucleophile attack on this system, and this bond, pi bond, just breaks here. So now this one is the structure. So I draw the structure here. So how the structure draw? So this oxygen just make a bond with this oxygen. So this carbon and this oxygen here just bonded together, and H and R dash. So this oxygen acquire a positive charge due to 3 bond. So just it leave the proton. So this is a deprotonation step, and the next step is the formation of this type of molecule RCOOH, and the reaction carried out in the acidic medium. So again H plus may combine any of these 3 oxygen atom, because if we add H plus, it move to the point where more electron density. So this oxygen also contain 2 lone pair, this oxygen also contain 2 lone pair, and this oxygen is also contain 2 lone pair. But in the next step I just protonate this oxygen, not this oxygen or not this oxygen. So reason is that if we protonate this oxygen, the reaction is in backward direction. If we protonate this oxygen here, so the reaction goes to this step, that is a backward step. And if any of these 2 oxygen may protonate, the reaction is move in the forward direction, because these 2 are the OH. So whatever this one or this one you may protonate. So I protonate here this oxygen, and this oxygen acquire the positive charge, and this system is also less stable. Why this system is less stable? Because the carbon joined with the 3 oxygen atom. That means the polarity of this system is very high. So for stabilization, it just remove any one of the group. So as the protonation occur at this oxygen, the lone pair just delocalizes here to make a carbon oxygen double bond, and this molecule leave as a water molecule. So now this structure is like this. So this water is removed here. So R, C double bond O H, this acquire the positive charge because this oxygen get into the double bond here, and O R dash. And now again deprotonation step occur here, and the ester is formed. So this is the process of formation of ester, and this one is the mechanism. This one is the mechanism related to the esterification reaction. Both the reaction, that is the formation of anhydride and esterification. Formation of anhydride and esterification is a very simple. Just you should try to add the molecule and break the molecule. How to add and how to break molecule. In the next, reaction with PCl5, PCl3 and SOCl2. Reaction with PCl5, PCl3 and SOCl2. So these three reagents you use in a preparation of alkyl halide from alcohol. From alcohol, how you may prepare alkyl halide? So in this step, you use in a very first chapter, that is alkyl halide and aryl halide, that is the PCl5, PCl3 and SOCl2. And in this case, we prefer SOCl2 due to the volatility of the side product, or side product are mostly in the gaseous phase. So in this reaction, this OH just replaced by the halogen atom of this system. So in a carboxylic acid also, this OH group just replaced by the halogen atom of the system. The similar reaction to the alcohol as you learn in alkyl halide chapter. So carboxylic acid react with PCl5. So this OH just replaced by the chlorine atom as in a alcohol here. So this one is the acyl chloride. Acyl chloride, POCl3 and HCl, and PCl3. So this reduce the this react with the 3 molecule of carboxylic acid, 3 molecule of carboxylic acid to just give the 3 molecule of acyl chloride here, and again SOCl2. So this method is very preferable due to the side product which is in gaseous state here. So this reaction is a repetition of the carboxylic acid and the alcohol here. So I hope you make a relation from the first chapter of preparation of alkyl halide and this one. Just you replace the OH group to the halogen atom. So this one is the reaction here, and I hope you may understand here. And the next reaction and the mechanism, because this one is a somewhat lengthy. So reaction with ammonia and the formation of phthalmide, I want to discuss in a very next video. So thank you for today here. Just find out the question related to this topic in your exercise and solve it. Thank you.